Yes, you can make money with the Fiverr affiliate program in 2025, just like many others are doing right now. For example, one person is making over $10,000 every month just by sharing Fiverr affiliate links. But the truth is, a lot of people are doing it the wrong way. That's why in this video, I'll show you some simple and smart ways to promote your affiliate link. And there are so many services on Fiverr that people need, and at the same time, there are many freelancers ready to do the work. Our job is to connect them, and I'll show you how. Let's hop into my screen now. Alright guys, so if you want to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month from home as a complete beginner, I'm doing it, and English is my third language. So if I can do it, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Click the first link in the description to discover the exact strategy I use to earn money online. And also you can join my insider community for free and get access to the hub-centric business model plus a private community worth $4,500 for absolutely free for your first 2 years. You only need to cover the cost of your domain and hosting. That's it. And also you'll be able to add your own 45 affiliate products and build 45 high converting funnels and pages to promote them and start earning. This is a massive no-brainer deal, guys. So if you're interested, you can just pay for domain and hosting and get your website ready. It's not called a website, it's an hub-centric business model. Why? Because you'll be having your own website as well as your own community. Okay, this exclusive offer is open to only 100 members out of 1,000, and over 700 spots are still left. Okay, if you like to be into this lucky 1,000, then get registered from the second link in the description and get into my community. All right, now let's go and talk about today's video. So the first step is to go to Google and type in Fiverr affiliate program. Click on the first link that says partnerships or affiliates. So once you land on the Fiverr affiliate page, scroll down a little and you'll see that there are different ways to earn money. You can get between 25% to 100% of customers' first order. Plus, you'll also earn 10% from everything else that person buys on Fiverr for the next 12 months. There are around 3 types of Fiverr affiliate programs, guys, as you can see on the screen. The first is marketplace gigs. This is for the regular freelancers on Fiverr. You get 25% of customers' first order and 10% from the future orders over the next 12 months. The second option is pro services. These are higher quality freelancers who charge more. With this, you can earn 70% on the first order and still 10% for further orders. These are great because companies usually go for pro services. The third option is logo maker. This one is done by AI. You get a flat $30 for the first order and then 10% after that. Alright guys, so next click join now on the top right corner, as you can see, and fill in your details like name, email, and so on. And they'll also ask how you plan to promote Fiverr. Choose social media or YouTube or whatever you want. Then pick a niche like graphics and design, and it's good to choose a niche because it helps you stay focused and know your audience. Then agree to the terms and click register now. That's it. You're officially an affiliate of Fiverr. There are no country restrictions and you can start promoting right away. So once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard as you can see on the screen. Go to marketing tools, then to default and deep links. These are the links you'll share to earn money. If someone clicks on your link, signs up and buys something, you get paid. And the best part, you don't have to promote a specific service. The link works for any Fiverr gig the customer chooses. Fiverr uses cookies, so any purchase after they click your link still earns you money, just like Amazon's affiliate program. So if you want to promote a specific service like video editing, you can do that too. Find the service you like, click on the gig, then click share the gig. Copy the link, go back to the dashboard, paste it under deep links and click save. Now your link points to that service. Even if people buy something else, you'll still get the commission. That's helpful because video editing is in high demand, especially with YouTubers, Instagram creators and TikTok users. Many creators don't know they can find creators on Fiverr. That's where you help. Use sites like Reddit, Quora, and Pinterest. They get tons of visitors, especially on Reddit. Search for a subreddit like video editing request, and you'll see so many posts who are asking for help in regards of video editing. All you need to do is reply, suggest a Fiverr freelancer, and paste your affiliate link. Do this many times and more people will click your link. And the best part, you don't have to make your own content. So if you do want to create content, there are other great options. You can write blog posts on medium.com. It's free and ranks high on Google. So if someone searches for why is video editing important for YouTube, they might find your article. Inside that post, you can place your affiliate link to make this easy. Use a free tool like SEO Writing AI. Log in with Google. Type in a keyword like YouTube video editor and generate a blog title. For example, YouTube video editor, why editing matters. Now imagine being a YouTube creator searching for help. They'll find your blog, read it, and possibly click your link. And guys, if you want to use social media like Instagram or TikTok, here is a strategy. Go to your favorite freelancer's Fiverr page and ask him or she, can I promote your work on TikTok or Instagram? Most freelancers will say yes. Then you can take their example videos and post them as your own content. If someone likes the work and hires the person you refer through your link, you get paid. You can do the same thing on Facebook or YouTube Shorts too. To sum it all up, guys, you have many ways to promote Fiverr affiliate links. You can share their links on Reddit and Quora, write SEO-friendly blog posts on medium.com, repost freelancer work on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Short, or else you can pick a niche and create helpful content around it. Stay consistent and focus on solving people's problem. You will surely be successful with Fiverr affiliate program. But here's one last thing that's very important, guys. None of this will work if you quit early. You need to keep doing this every day or at least every week for at least 6 months. It takes time, but it works, guys. The more helpful you are, the more money you'll make. So stay patient, keep learning, and keep sharing your links. And for more information on my business model, please check out the first link in the description. Also get registered to my community from the second link in the description. If you're watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't be missing any next information from my side. Have a great day, guys. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.